LG. LG Electronics, 12,000 BTU air conditioner. And we're gonna see if it fires up. Fan. It's running. Alright, we'll let her run for a little bit. This poor old thing. You hear it? Kick this thing back on. I'm gonna let this guy load up this guy and see how it does. I don't think the house likes this much load right now, at all. Starting to cool. This one's definitely cooling. And with load on this one, it's still blowing freezing cold air. Yeah, this thing's a piece of junk, but it sure doesn't cool. Breaker blew because this thing tried to start and the compressor was under load. So now we're gonna go and I'm gonna turn the breaker on. Only the Gold Star should start. So should this. Now let's see if this thing will start up. Perfect. They're all back running again. Yeah, let's get the Gold Star break here. I should take care of it. just shooting the air downstairs. She's kicking. This one, not so much. It's kicking. It's cool. It's just not super cold. This one's cold. This one's the coldest. It's getting hot up here. It's gonna turn this up. Alright, time to shut him down. I think Big Boy is gonna be first. These two are gonna run for a little longer.